Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And I posted this problem last, and I believe it brings so many argumentative in my group. So now I am here to solve, to prove those that are saying I am wrong. So now just watch till the end. It reads 8 raised to the power y plus 8 raised to the power y is equal 64. Now to start with, let's use the first method of most of you that you decide to use. We say the first method. Now the first method, since we are given 8 raised to the power y plus 8 raised to the power y is equal 64, then, but remember, we know 8 also can be expressed in as 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, then instead of this we use this now. Now we say 2 raised to the power 3y, okay, plus 2 raised to the power 3y. Then this is equals, we know 64 also can be expressed in as 2 raised to the power 6. This is how most of you solve it. Then you tend to say, since the base are the same, you ignore the base, then you write the power. That is 3y plus 3y. This is equal 6. Then if you are adding, this is giving you 6y becomes 6. Then we divide by 6 by 6. Then the value of y becomes 6 upon 6. Then the value of y, now we have y then becomes 1. So this is how most of you solve it, which results in you to 1. Now let's prove, let's try to verify. Let's see if this is correct. Now we say verify. Now let's try to verify it and see if it is correct, if the value of y is correct. Now remember, we have 8 raised to the power y plus 8 raised to the power y. This is equal 64. And from linear equation, if this is 64, this part also should be 64. But we know y is equal to 1. So we substitute now. Say 8 raised to the power 1 plus 8 raised to the power 1. This is equal 64. Okay? Then we know 8 raised to the power 1 is just 8 plus 8 raised to the power 1 is 8. This is equal 64. Now we say 8 plus 8. This is 64. Okay? This is 8 plus 8 is 16 equals 64. So now this is the verification of it. Okay? So it means this part is not equal to with this part. Automatically, this is not correct. Are you seeing it? It means this method, this approach that you guys are using, it is not correct. Okay? Now let's use another method. Let's use another method. Maybe after this, you prefer which of this method is correct. If I am the one that's wrong, then you will also tell. Let's use the second method that most of you use. We say the second approach. So this is second method. Then if you want to use the second method, we take the same problem, that is 8 raised to the power y plus 8 raised to the power y is equal 64. Now, from this point, what most of you do also, you say this is 8 raised to the power y plus 8 raised to the power y. This is equals, we know 64 also can be expressed as 8 raised to the power 2. Okay, meaning 8 times 8 is giving you 64. Okay, the same thing implies like this. You decide to ignore, saying the base are the same. You decide to nullify them, then you write what it means, that is y plus y is equals 2. Then multiply, adding this one, y plus y, it is 2y, giving you 2. Then dividing both sides by 2, you divide side by 2, then y then becomes 2 divided by 2, giving you 1. So this is the value of y that most of you arrive. So this is the method that most of you we are using. Let's verify it also. We say verify. Let's verify it and see. Now since y is equals 1, you just to verify it, like saying 8 raised to the power y plus 8 raised to the power y is equal 64. It must be the same. This is 8 to the power 1 plus 8 raised to the power 1. This equals 64. Then 8 raised to the power 1, it is 8 plus 8 raised to the power 1, it is 8. This equals 64. Then if you are adding this one, giving you 16. If you are adding, giving you 16 equals 64. So this is the verification of it also. So you will know that this part is not equal with this part. Note, after which you will prefer which of these solutions is correct. Let's look at the third method. This is third method. Let's use the third method and see. Now we have 8 raised to the power y plus 8 raised to the power y equals 64. Now what I did here, I factorized what is common here. It is 8y that is common. Taking it outside, what remains is 1 plus 1. Then this equals 64. Then we have 8y into 1 plus 1, it is 2, giving you 64. Then divide both sides by 2, then we have 8 raised to the power y becomes, dividing 64 by 2, it is 32. But we know 32 also can be simplifying as 2 raised to the power 5, and we know 8 also can be simplifying as 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, now we have 2 raised to the power 3y. This equals 2 raised to the power 5. Then the base are the same, we cancel each other. Then what remains is 3y equals 5. Okay, then we divide both sides by 3, by 3. Then the value of y becomes 5 upon 3 respectively. So this is the value of y that we have to find. Now let's try to verify it also. Let us try to verify and see if this is correct. We say verify. Let us try to verify it. Now to verify this one, since we are given 8 raised to the power y plus 8 raised to the power y is equal 64, but know that we are giving y already as 5 upon 3. Now let's substitute and see if we are going to have the same answer like this 64. Then we say 8 raised to the power, instead of y we have it as 5 upon 3 plus 8 raised to the power 5 upon 3. Okay, must be equals, this must be equals 64. Okay, now we know 8 also can be expressing as 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, raised to the power 5 upon 3, then plus this 8 raised to the power, this also can be expressing as 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 5 upon 3. Okay, equals 64. Then from this point, we say this 3 cancel this 3. What remains is 2 raised to the power 5 that remains, plus this 3 cancel this 3, it remains 5. Now we have 2 raised to the power 5 is equals 64. Then 2 raised to the power 5, we know it is 32, plus 2 raised to the power 5, it is 32. This equals 64. Then 32 plus 32, it is 64 equals 64. So you can see from this point that we have verified it. So our answer becomes 64 equals 64. So automatically, I'm going to leave my opinion. Then you will decide which of these 3 methods that you think it is correct. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. If you have another method that you think it is correct, then you can drop it in the comment section. Okay, love you more.